Second example on probability distribution. Now two cards are drawn successively with replacement and without replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability distribution of the number of A's. So first let me start with replacement. Okay. So with replacement. Now since we are drawing two cards, right, our random variable is getting a success, and getting a success is nothing but getting an ace, right, and we are drawing two cards. Now since we are drawing two cards, both the times, suppose we are not getting an ace, we are getting any other card both the times, so it will be 0, or we can get one time ace and second time we can get any other card, or we can get first time any other card and get second time ace. So it can be either 1 or we can get both the times ace. So these are the possibilities we have. So random variable in this case is 0, 1 and 2. Let's start with 0. Okay. So again let me take S as probability of success and F as probability of failure. Okay. Now success in this case is getting ace. So what will be probability of success? From a well shuffled card of deck of 52 cards, we can get 4 A's out of 52, so probability of success is 4 upon 52. Now since probability of success is 4 upon 52, what will be probability of failure? You can take 1 minus 4 upon 52, or the other way, there are like another 48 cards which are not A's, so basically we can even write it as 48 upon 52. So success is 4 upon 52 and failure is 48 upon 52. Now the first question. Okay, so let me start with x equals to 0 first. Probability when your random variable is 0. Now in case of 0, it means on the first card also you are getting failure, on second card also you are getting failure, that you are not getting ace, you are getting any other card. So since we know that both are disjoint, so we can write it as probability of failure into probability of failure, which is nothing but 48 into 50 upon 52 into 48 upon 52. Then next one, probability of x equals to 1, that is in this case we will be having two cases, right. So on first we can get success, and whenever I am drawing second card we can get anything other than ace, so it is considered as failure, or we can get first failure and second and ace, that is success. So again since we know that both are disjoint, probability of success into failure or probability of failure into probability of success, and probability of success is 4 upon 52 into failure is 48 upon 52. Similarly this is 48 upon 52 into 4 upon 52. Okay. Now third case, when x is 2, it is on both the cards you are getting ace or you are getting success. Again it can be written as success into probability of success, which is 4 upon 52 into 4 upon 52. Let me just calculate these values first. Now after multiplying, what we are getting here is 144 upon 169. In this case 24 upon 169, and last case 1 upon 169. The probability distribution function for probability distribution for this particular case with replacement for 0, it is 144 upon 169. For 1 random variable 1, it is 24 upon 169, and for random variable 2 it is 1 upon 169. 9. This is your, okay. So probability distribution is this. For 0 it is 144 upon 169, 124 upon 169, 2 1 upon 169. Now next case, without replacement. Without replacement. Again, even though it is without replacement, your random variable is going to be same. Either you can get 0 A's, like on both the cases you are getting any other card other than A's, or you can get on first card you can get A's and second card you can get any other card, or in first draw you can get any other card and in second draw you are going to get A's, or on both the cases you are going to get A's, right. These are the random variables. Now let me start with first one, when x is 0, that whenever you are getting no A's. So on both the cards we are getting failure. Okay, so again we can write this as failure into failure since both are disjoint. What is the probability of getting first non-A's card? So it is going to be 48 upon 52, no doubt in this. Now I am not replacing the card again, I am keeping that card aside, right. So what will be the probability of getting A's in the second card? Assuming that the first card whatever we have taken, okay, since it is non-A's card, in second also we are assuming that it is a non-A's card. So remaining card with us which are non-A's are 47, and in a deck what the total cards we have are 51. Let me just repeat this. In a total deck of 52 cards, we have 48 cards which are non-A's cards, that is failure. So probability of getting failure is 48 upon 52, right. Now we have already picked a card which is non-A's card. Now how many non-A's cards are remaining? 47, and since from a deck we have already taken one, so how many total cards are remaining? 51. So it is probability of getting failure at second time is nothing but 47 upon 51, okay, which is nothing but 188 upon 221. Now next case, whenever x is 1, that is whenever you are getting first success, second failure, or you are getting first failure and second success. Okay, so this can be written as success into failure plus failure into success. So what is the probability of getting success? 4 upon 52, right. Now here its probability of failure, which is nothing but 48, but since I have already picked one card, the remaining cards are only 51. Or if the first card is non-A's card, so it will be 48 out of 52, and if second card whatever I am drawing is an A's, then it will be 4 out of 51, because since we have already drawn one card and we are not replacing that card, but it is non-A's card, so remaining A's card are 4, but in a deck we have only 51 cards. So after multiplication, what you will get here is 32 upon 221. Okay. Now the last case, when random variable is 2, that in both the cases you are getting success. So in first draw also you are getting A's, in second draw also you are getting an A's. So what is the probability of getting an A's on a first draw? It is 4 upon 52. And what is the probability of getting A's at the second draw? 3, since we have already picked one A's, and 51 since we have already picked one card, right? So it will be 4 upon 52 into 3 upon 51, which is nothing but 1 upon 2 to 1. So probability distribution in this case, let's tabulate this. This is P of x. When it is 0, it's 188 upon 2 to 1. If it is 1, it is 32 upon 2 to 1, and if it is 2, it is 1 upon 2 to 1.